Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an LLC.
Alright, what's good, y'all? We'll be dropping free games, so make sure you lock in. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
Right there, so y'all can follow along. You can go straight to sunbiz.com.
Limited liability. You're gonna hit the file in correct Florida. Alright, it's your first time, you're gonna hit start new filing. Just gonna fill this form out. Make sure it look like this. Right here, you're gonna put the name of your company, what you want it to be, what you want your LLC. If you don't have a physical location already set up for your business, I recommend grabbing a UPS box or a virtual address. The link to either option that you choose are both in the description. Alright, for the mailing address, you're just gonna put your home address. You're gonna put your information. Put your name right here. For this part, I recommend making the email beforehand. If you don't already have an email set up, pause the video right here and go make the email real quick. This is gonna be your information again. Just fill it out the way you see it, fam. You only need to do one if it's just you, but if you adding people to your LLC, like managers or something like that, just fill out their information in the next box. Slow it down if you have to, but this is what it should look like when it's all done. Alright, this screen is just verifying that all your info correct. Just hit close. You're gonna hit credit card payment. It's gonna pull out this screen. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna just let y'all do y'all. All you gotta do now is just put your card info and you're done. Go to irs.gov to get your free EIN in under 5 minutes.
Video on how to get an EIN for free in 5 minutes is going to be right here.